Welcome back. In this lecture, we're going to discuss integrating Font Awesome into WordPress. Let's get started. Here's my WordPress site. I'm at Plugins, Add New. I've searched for Font Awesome. There's two plugins available, Font Awesome for Menus and Better Font Awesome. Now, something to consider is that your theme might already include Font Awesome. If you have a good theme and the interface is good for adding the icons, then you probably don't need a plugin. But if you don't have it, then you can go the plugin route. Let's click on more details on Better Font Awesome. That's the one we're going to go with. Let's look at how it's implemented. It's always up to date, which means they're using a CDN, backwards compatible with other plugins, and they have a shortcode generator. Let's look further down to see how they implement it. They implement it through shortcodes, which is a syntax for WordPress. And you can also implement it through raw HTML, which is good because that gives us more flexibility. A WordPress shortcode will only work as long as the supporting plugin is installed. If we use these shortcodes and then we uninstall the Better Font Awesome plugin, it will no longer work. If you use HTML, as long as you have something pulling in Font Awesome, it will always work, unless their syntax changes or something like that. But that's something to consider. I've already installed it, and with WordPress it really is that easy. In summary, we learned that Font Awesome is often bundled in WordPress themes and that you should check to see if it's in your theme before you install it as a plugin. We also learned that you can usually implement the icons using shortcodes or straight HTML, but you need to consider the pros and cons of shortcodes. If your plugin goes away, then your icons won't appear. And that's a wrap! Next lecture, we demonstrate Font Awesome in WordPress. See you there!